Okay, so I'm Anders Olsson from Tobii Technology. What I have here is a laptop with an eye tracker built in. What an eye tracker can do is measure with about a quarter-inch level of precision where the eyes are looking at a screen. What you're going to see here is how we combine this with the touchpad to make it possible to do everything you would otherwise do on a tablet, but now instead you can do it on a laptop. And a lot of things become very easy to use. So to start off, if I want to launch an application in Windows 8, all I need to do is hold down the Windows button, and then whatever I look at will automatically light up. So I'm looking at the Explorer now, but you can ignore that because I'm going to open up Word. So now I go down to Open Word, and then as I release, Word opens up for me. Now here in Word, I've got two Word documents open, and if I want to scroll through them, just like I would on a tablet where I would do this type of thing. Here, instead I just look at whatever I want to scroll through and then quickly swipe up on the touchpad and it'll start scrolling for me. Now I want to go to this one and then I swipe up the same way. Back at the left one, swipe back down and the document comes back for me. So going back now into the start menu, I can do a lot of other things as well. For example, I can get a very high level of precision that I could never get on a touch device. So if I go into Excel, for example, I can really hit each and every individual cell here with ease. On a touch device, I would touch down, and then if I try to hit that cell, G3, it might mess up and then hit G2 instead. Same thing can of course happen with gaze, but here I have the advantage that my finger's not in the way. So if I want to touch the cell I6 here now, I just hold down my finger and then, if necessary, I fine tune and I can always get right to where I want to be. If I want to make the text bold, I just look up there, hit the bold button, etc., etc. And through this way of interacting, I can do all kinds of things that would otherwise be kind of boring and tiresome to do on the laptop, the way I've traditionally always had to do it with the keyboard and mouse.